everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. Let me catch y'all up on what I've been up to. Mainly trying not to have a meltdown. Life. But I decided to start crafting again. I've been sewing, running errands all day, and my niece's birthday is next week. So she loves to draw and do artsy stuff. So what I decided to do was to make her a composition notebook cover. And I'm also going to make her, what is it called? It's a pencil roll up. I'm going to insert the name. But I'm going to do that for her. I just finished the composition notebook cover. And I was following a tutorial somewhat. My next one I'm going to follow her tutorial because I really like the way hers look. Mine, I like it. It's thick because I made it reversible. I made it reversible. Hers is not reversible, but mine is reversible. So this is a composition notebook cover. Inside is one of these composition notebooks. Y'all know what these look like. Walmart, Dollar Tree, Dollar General. You can get these any and everywhere. So what I did is I made the cover. I wanted it reversible. And I also made a little top for it to keep it closed. So mine, it's thick because I have reversible pattern. I'm gonna take it off and show y'all. So just untie this here, and here it is. I wanted it to go all the way over, so it goes all the way over, and just pull it off here. Let's see, composition notebook. And then flip it inside out. She's 9 and she likes to draw, so I wanted something really colorful. So see, there's the 2 different fabrics I used. Oh no, y'all, I'm glad I found this. I left a pin in it. But let me go ahead, and it's easy to add it back, slip it back on the other side. It's simple. I'm so glad these composition notebooks aren't real stiff and tight. So this is it. So all you do is put one side back in here. Yes. Put it down a little bit. And then you open up the other side here. Put that down in there. It's hard to do with one hand holding it, but I'm trying to show y'all. And here it is, right there. So I am planning to make more of these. I'm going to patchwork some, and you just tie this back on here to keep it closed. I'm gonna patchwork some. I have a ton of fabric, y'all. I've been fabric shopping all day. Lord knows I don't need no more fabric. But I've been clearance shopping. I finally went to Michael's to really check out their fabric section. They had a bunch of clearance, some good clearance stuff, but I was trying to hurry up and get out of there because I had to go pick up my groceries. But here it is right here. But reversible composition notebook cover. I'm going to go back to Michael's and I'm going to thoroughly go through their clearance because they had some good stuff. It was like $4 a yard. Normally, like I think some was $8.99, $10.99. Some was $7.99, stuff like that. So y'all, that's what I've been up to. I've been looking up different projects. I like making the composition notebook covers. I'm gonna patchwork one. The tutorial that I was following, I don't remember her name, but hold on, let me find her. Let me give credit where credit is due. The Quilted Forest. Yes, I follow her tutorial to a certain degree, you know, some measurements for the composition notebook. But then after that, I just start doing my own thing. But the next one that I do, I'm going to follow her tutorial because I really like the patchwork look. That one's not patchwork, but, and also I was skipping around and I forgot to add a pencil, or a pen holder to it, or because I was going to make like a little pocket, or, you know, like the little loop on the side where you can slide a pen in. Didn't do either one of those. I was just trying to make it, and I did. But the next one, I'm going to follow her tutorial, and I'm going to do me a patchwork one. I'm going to use different cottons, and I'm also going to make like a jean patchwork one. And I'm also planning to make a few other things. As I said in my my last video, I'm going to start doing projects that I like to do when I like to do them, instead of just feeling like I have to make something for the channel. There's some stuff that I need to make me, desperately so, that I've been putting off, but I'm going to start making it. I'm going to make me, I need me a crossbody purse, you know, for every day. Also, I wanted to make me a tote bag, so when I'm going out and I want to take some snacks and stuff with me. I'm trying to lay off the fast food as much. So I'm going to need me an everyday tote. I'm going to need me a crossbody purse. I need to make a wreath for fall for my front door. One for my mom for her front door. I need to make me a Halloween wreath. Also, I'm going to make me a Christmas wreath. And I've been looking at some craft shows in October and December, because I'm busy hosting my own events like in November, except for one weekend. So I'm looking up different things that I can make. Also, I want to build up my inventory because I am still planning to open up my own shop. Ever since, like, I think last week, all the tariff stuff, no one's sending anything to the U.S., and I'm not sure how it's working with people selling things, sending it out of the country, but a lot of people are going to start shopping more, you know, in the U.S. because a lot of countries just cut off sending anything here. So this holiday season, small business sales in the U.S. may be up, but also the materials people may be ordering overseas to come over here to make their products, that also is going to be going up. So I just want to get ready. So I got a bunch of inventory, as in fabric, that I can make different products with. So I'm finally just going to use what I have, what I can find dirt cheap or on clearance, or that I might find at estate sales or thrift stores or something. I'm going to make up me a bunch of products so I can go to craft shows, hoping if I set up for the holidays, I can do pretty good. Also, Black Friday coming up really fast. I want to get some stuff going on my website. Either I'm going to put it on Etsy if I don't have my website finished. And I also want to set up at craft shows. So got to make some products. We got to make some scrunchies, some tote bags, some more of these composition notebook covers. And there's a few other projects that I want to make. But the Quilted Forest, I'm going to follow her tutorial for the composition notebook covers. And let me show y'all what I got real quick at Michael's. So at Michael's, I was going to make some more stuff for Monty. Here's some of the fabric that I got at Michael's. This is really pretty. $4 a yard. There was a whole bin full, but I just grabbed these. And I wanted something really colorful, because I plan on making Monty some more stuff. And then this one here has glitter on it. And then the mermaid print. I grabbed like 1 yard of each one. And then at Hobby Lobby, what was it, 2 yards? Yeah, 1 yard. 1 yard of each. And also, Hobby Lobby on clearance. This will be good to go inside, like makeup bags, or, you know, the liner for different things. And this one here, pink and purple. And then this one here, this is a canvas. These other two are cotton, but this is canvas. And I'm like, okay, this will be good for making Monty a tote bag. A lot of this stuff I was thinking about making different products for Monty, and with my other great nieces and nephews when they get older. I was going to make some stuff for them that they can use when they get older. And when I say older, I mean couple years, because they're little, like 6 and 3, and they're little. But y'all, that's what I have so far. I got to put that up on the shelf there, and I am going to make some different products. And my next composition notebook cover, I'm going to take y'all with me so y'all can see how I do that. I'm going to patchwork it, so I'm going to see how that turns out. If it turns out good, then I will be adding that to my inventory for the holiday season when I'm making different products for craft shows. But that's all I got. And I will talk to y'all later. My husband's calling now, so talk to y'all later. Bye.